Welcome to day one of our smoothie challenge. We're really excited to get started. I hope you had a chance to go out and buy all the ingredients on our shopping list. So the first one, of course, is using our super green smoothie bomb, some pineapple, some cucumber, some spinach and coconut water. We've chosen to use Cocoa Coast, which is a family-run business up in Queensland that we really love to support. Now, let's just get started. While we're getting set up, I just want to mention that we're starting the first three, as I said in the program, with green, because that's a great way to get some cleansing started. So we'll put in some pineapple first, pop in some ice to make it nice and cool. Cucumber's really great for cleansing as well. And then we're going to follow through with some spinach. I'm going to pop in the coconut water now. And then at the very end, I'm going to put in the hero of the day, the Smoothie Bomb Super Green. The reason why I really love this one is because it does have the matcha and the spirulina in together. And then it's also got the nuts and the seeds and all the goodness is going to help towards cleansing. Give it a bit of a crumble in. There you go. It's also got things like linseed and sunflower seed, really good for heart health, as well as the spinach. And basically, it tastes delicious. Let's get this on there. Remember, 60 seconds and you should be ready. Switch it on and let's go. So there we have it. How easy is that? Pour it in. Now this flavour is really refreshing and perfect to start the challenge. I'd really love to know what you guys think of it.